FUT strip surgery is still this gold standard with regard to hair restoration. It gives us the ability to get the strongest hair from the sweet spot of the back of the head, not going to fall out, and move that hair to the front so it will continue to grow, fill in all those gaps, and we can do that with direct visualization of those grafts under the microscope, so we get strong hairs and people don't even know that you've taken anything from the back the day you have the procedure, because we do it without shaving the back of the head, and there's a small linear scar which is almost always hidden. Really good candidates for FUT procedure are people who wear their hair really long, or patients that want to move the maximum amount of hair. The best candidates for FUT strip surgery are women first and foremost, because they have the long hair and you don't want to thin out the back of the head, you don't want to shave that hair, so you want to get a strip procedure where we remove quality hair directly visualized under a microscope, suture that area up so that it's hidden and you'll never know that we've taken anything, and it gives us the most amount of grafts, which means the most amount of hair to transfer.